Good day, my name is Mishak Musmabale, and I'm here to demo my project, which is an online poll system. Alright, let's go to the folder where I created the Django application and start our environment and start the application. As you can see, our application is running on localhost port 8080. Alright, so as you can see, this is the link to the application, and we are going to go to API/docs to see the documentation. I will be doing this demo on Postman instead of Swagger because of some issues I had with authorization during casting a vote. Alright, so I just created the Swagger documentation because it's part of the requirements, but let's dive into it on Postman. So first of all, we're going to register a user. So we'll register a user mishak@gmail.com, and as you can see, user registered successfully. Now we'll try to log in into the newly created user. Alright. As you can see, the newly created user is logged in with access token and refresh token sent back from the server. Now next, let's create a pool. Okay, so we're going to create best music genre pool with 4 options. As you can see, the pool is created successfully. Now we can get all pools available on the application or in the system, and we'll send this get request. It's going to get all the pools available. As you can see, we only have 2 pools available. Then we can get specific pool by the ID of that pool. So we're going to get the ID of the pool we just created, which is the best music genre, and that's it. Alright, so let's edit a pool. I was able to abstract and separate the tables. So I separated the options table and the pools table so that I'll be able to edit them separately, but altogether they are a unit because they are connected by a one-to-many relationship. Alright, so as you can see here, I'm sending a patch request to edit the title of the pool I created earlier, and let's send it. First of all, let's change the parameter to the ID of the pool we just created, and then as you can see, the title changed. So here I'm using patch because I wanted to edit specific parts of the object as a whole. I also have a put request that can edit the whole object body, which requires you to send the whole object body as well. Alright, so we have the edit option where you can select an option via its ID and change it. So let's pick out the ID of the option, which is rock, and let's change it to soft rock. Alright, so let's go to the edit option and change the ID to the correct ID. Then we'll send, and as you can see, it has changed to soft rock. To confirm, let's get pool by ID and check out whether the option is still the same or it has changed. Alright, so as you can see, our ID 38 has changed to soft rock. Alright, so let's go to the next, which is casting of a vote. So as a user, you can create pool and you can cast votes to existing pools. Alright, so as you can see, I tried casting a vote to the pool that we just created, but there was no authorization, so I couldn't do that. So I had to log in and copy the authorization token. This was the issue I had with Swagger. In the Swagger UI, it was requesting for username and password instead of authorization token, and I'm used to using authorization token. So I sent in the authorization token, and as you can see, voting successful. So let's log in as a different user and try to vote with the same option so that we have more than one vote in an option. Alright, so this is a different user. We'll copy the authorization to the access token, and we place it in the bearer here, and we send, and we see vote successful. Alright, so let's check out the count of votes that we have. Alright, so as you can see, we have 2 votes here for soft rock. Alright, so let's get the final result. When we get the final result for that pool via the pool ID, as you can see, the ID of the option and the text, the name of the option is also returned. Also, we have the delete pool endpoint, which deletes the everything associated with the pool, both the pool data and the options associated with it. Alright, so thank you for watching.